Welcome to Mauli's Kitchen. I am going to show you a special dish, bottle gourd kofta curry. Let's start. First we have to peel the skin of bottle gourd. Once peeled, we have to cut it into large pieces. Remove the seeds. Now grate the bottle gourd pieces. Now take grated bottle gourd into a bowl. Now add 50 grams of besan, 1 spoon of ginger paste, 1 spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of jeera powder, salt as per your taste. I am adding 1.5 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of chilli powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, take a kadai, add oil for deep frying. Once oil is heated, keep the flame in medium. After marinating for 15 minutes, fry them till they turn to golden brown color. Once they turn to golden brown color, take them into a plate. Now kofta is ready. Keep it aside and let's start preparing the curry. Now let's prepare tomato puree. Add 3 medium-sized tomatoes to mixer jar and grind it to smooth paste. Tomato puree is ready. Keep it aside. In the same kadai, add around 5 spoons of oil, 3 medium-sized chopped onions. Cook it for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well and cook till onions turn to golden brown color. Stir it occasionally. Once onions turn to golden brown color, add tomato puree, add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of chilli powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of garam masala, salt as per your taste. I am adding 1.5 spoon of salt and add 2 green chilli. Mix it well. Keep the flame in medium and cook till oil starts separating from the gravy. Stir it occasionally. Once oil starts separating, add 2 glasses of water, around 350 ml. Mix it well and let it boil. Once it starts boiling, keep the flame in low and add fried kofta. well. Add chopped coriander leaves. Cover it with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Stir it occasionally. After 5 minutes, take out the lid. Cook it for 2 minutes without lid. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame and take curry into bowl. Now bottle gourd kofta curry is ready. Serve it with rice or roti.